The Configurations tab within your project is a powerful tool that allows you to make changes to important project details. You can edit the project name, description, and tentative start and end dates, among other things. You can easily edit these details at any time to keep your projects on track and organized. From the Configurations tab, you also have the option to archive or delete a project. This feature is especially useful when you have completed a project or no longer need it for a while. Simply archive it and it will be out of your way until you need it again. If you want to delete it permanently, you can do so with ease. It can help keep your project dashboard clean and organized. Managing your project's collaborators is easy with the Configurations tab. You can add or remove teammates from the projects and manage their access levels. If you'd like to invite a client to collaborate on the project, you can do that as well. You have the option to invite them as an observer who can only view and comment on tasks, notes, files, and discussions, or give them full access to add or make changes to the tasks, notes, files, and discussions. With the full access, you can restrict them from seeing your organization's timesheet, and with the observer access, they won't be able to see it at all. Once you've decided on the access level, you can send them an invite and they'll be able to join you for collaboration. A couple of important things to note. When inviting a client to collaborate, it's best to invite only one user from their team, as they can add their team members after accepting your invitation. Additionally, you don't have to pay for your client's account. This can help keep your project costs down. Another great feature is the ability to integrate an invoicing system such as Xero or QuickBooks. This feature allows you to directly send invoices to your clients without having to switch between tabs, saving you valuable time. Finally, your team members can keep some tasks, internal discussions, and files private so the client or the vendor won't see them. This helps you maintain confidentiality and privacy while still allowing for seamless collaboration on the project.